Major U.S. tech stocks looking somewhat bullish. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Nvidia looks like it's ready to start the day on the right foot as the market is set to gain about $1.50 at the open at the time of recording. The pre-market has been good to Nvidia over the last couple of days, so we'll have to see whether or not it can keep up the momentum. But at this point, it looks a lot like a market that is trying to grind out a range, and we had recently visited the lows of the range, so this makes perfect sense. With that being said, Nvidia more likely than not remains a buy on the dip stock. Tesla looks like it's going to open up a little bit lower during the session, but quite frankly, after the massive 8% gain during the previous session, it's a bit much to think that it would just continue to rip to the upside. That being said, it's definitely a buy on the dip stock from what I can see, and it's worth noting that the 50-day EMA and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level both have come in to offer support near the $380 level. Tesla still looks bullish, but probably needs a little bit of a short-term pullback. MicroStrategy looks to open up pretty much where it closed, but it has been bullish over the last couple of days, with its fortunes, of course, tied to Bitcoin, as the company doesn't actually do anything but acquire Bitcoin now. So short-term pullbacks, I think, in Bitcoin are to be watched, and it'll just play out here in MicroStrategy. The 50-day EMA is near the $329 level and rising. And then after that, you have the gap that was basically filled that goes down to about $275. It does look bullish, but it also looks like it's got a bit of an overhang just above, especially near the $400 level. And that jives well with the Bitcoin charts, which, again, look pretty much the same as MicroStrategy. My name's Chris Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more analysis.